Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record a 120 FPS slow motion video on your Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. First, open the camera application on your smartphone, then in the shooting modes select more, then select slow-mo, and by default you only have one option to record full HD video in 120 FPS. So just start recording your slow motion video normally, just like you start recording any video, then stop it, and then let's try to play it and see what we got. And here is our slow motion video. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.